together my Leaps and Rebounds Rebounder. It is a bungee style rebounder. I really like it for the price point. Bellicons are the very best on the market. I did not want to spend the money for the Bellicon. It was just a little bit too much out of my budget. So I did my research and I bought a Leaps and Rebounds Rebounder a couple years ago. I got a newer version and I set it up myself. It took about 30 minutes. There's an instruction manual on it, very simple, basic, and easy. Requires a little bit of power push and muscle strength to get the bungees on. And I really like the newer legs that they put on the Leaps and Rebounders. On the older version, my legs kind of collapsed a little bit. It was still a great rebounder, but it just kind of bowed in a little bit after quite a bit of use. And they revamped the legs right here. And as I was bouncing, and I'm bouncing on it, I'm noticing with the new legs that are on it, it's a nice, firmer, sturdier bounce with the secure legs on there. I choose the Leaps and Rebounds if you are in an economical budget and you can't afford the money on a Bellicon. I do recommend a bungee style rebounder. I started with a Stamina spring-loaded and an Urban spring-loaded, and then I quickly realized I wanted to go to a bungee style. Again, at this price point, the Leaps and Rebounds is the best thing out there. Other people, if you have a Leaps and Rebounds, let me know what you think. Put it in the comment below. I do have a 10% off discount coupon. Look in the description below. And I'm also going to link a video using this rebounder. So you're also going to get your workout. I do produce rebounder workouts, so I will put in the description below my playlist of rebounder workouts. So I'm going to highly recommend the Leaps and Rebounds Rebounder, and I really hope you enjoy it like I do. Thank you.